Hi, today I'm going to show you how to run a motor using the USB cable. You all remember my last video in which I cut open a micro USB cable. So this is a micro USB cable. I have attached it to the USB port of my laptop. So here I'm going to connect a motor now to it. So just stay tuned. So I have just plugged in USB 3 port or USB 2 port, whatever it is. So then I'm going to, as you could see, I'm going to connect the positive and negative here. So in front of the camera, yes. That's right, better. What is a head is like just an emery sheet of paper. So this I use to polish something. So just when you switch over this positive and negative, red is the positive and green is the negative. It's a DC motor. So actually what will happen is like it just reverses the polarity. So this is pretty much the stuff. So in my last video I've shown you this one, the light, whatever which you used. So this can be powered using this. See here? That's all. Now I'm going to connect the motor. Positive here and negative here. Both are inclined. So here, see here. Man, do I look childish playing this motor? Okay, who cares?